Welcome to the ultimate guide for savvy travelers. Whether you're a frequent flyer or just an occasional jet setter, mastering airport hacks can make your travel experience smoother, more efficient, and a lot less stressful. In this video, we'll dive deep into airport secrets you probably didn't know existed. Get ready to discover tips and tricks that will revolutionize the way you navigate airports. 1. Skip the long lines with mobile check-in. One of the simplest yet most effective hacks is to use your airline's mobile app for check-in. Most airlines allow you to check in up to 24 hours before your flight. By doing this, you can select your seat, print your boarding pass, and even pay for any additional baggage fees without waiting in long lines at the check-in counter. For international flights, some airlines offer the option to upload your passport information in advance, which speeds up the check-in process. 2. Use TSA PreCheck or Global Entry. TSA PreCheck and Global Entry are game changers for frequent travelers. TSA PreCheck allows you to go through security faster by not having to remove your shoes, belt, or light jacket, as you can keep your laptop and liquids in your bag. Global Entry, on the other hand, speeds up customs processing when entering the U.S. from international trips. Both programs require a background check and application fee, but the time saved at the airport can make it well worth the investment. 3. Pack smart with the right luggage. Investing in a good carry-on suitcase can save you time and money. Look for a bag that fits within the airline size limits to avoid checking in luggage and paying additional fees. Also, consider using a bag with a built-in scale to ensure it's within weight limits before you get to the airport. Another smart packing hack is to roll your clothes instead of folding them. This method not only saves space but also reduces wrinkles. 4. Access airport lounges with credit card perks. Airport lounges aren't just for first-class travelers. Many credit cards offer lounge access as a benefit. Cards from providers like American Express or Chase often come with complimentary lounge passes or memberships. Lounges offer comfortable seating, free food and drinks, Wi-Fi, and sometimes even showers. It's worth checking your credit card benefits or applying for a card that offers this perk if you travel frequently. 5. Bring your own reusable water bottle. Airport food and drinks can be expensive, but bringing a reusable water bottle can save you money and help the environment. Fill it up after you pass through security to stay hydrated. Without paying high prices for bottled water, many airports have water bottle filling stations, so you can easily refill your bottle before your flight. 6. Utilize free airport Wi-Fi. Most airports offer free Wi-Fi, but it's not always straightforward to access. Look for signs or ask airport staff for the network name and password. Some airports have multiple networks or limited access times. Be cautious about using public Wi-Fi for sensitive activities. Consider using a VPN for added security if you need to access personal or financial information. 7. Know the best times to fly for fewer crowds. If you have flexibility in your travel schedule, consider flying during off-peak hours. Early morning flights or late evening departures often experience fewer crowds, which means shorter lines and less hassle at security and check-in. Additionally, flights during these times are often less likely to be delayed. 8. Use airport apps for real-time updates. Many airports and airlines have their own apps that provide real-time updates on flight statuses, gate changes, and security wait times. Downloading these apps can help you stay informed and avoid the stress of last-minute gate changes. Some apps also offer interactive maps of the airport, helping you find amenities like restaurants and shops more easily. 9. Take advantage of travel-sized toiletries. If you plan to bring liquids in your carry-on, remember the TSA's 3-to-1-1 rule. Liquids, gels, and aerosols must be in containers of 3-4 ounces, 100 milliliters or less, all fitting within a single quart-sized bag. Using travel-sized toiletries helps you adhere to this rule and save space in your bag. There are also reusable travel-size containers available for your favorite products. 10. Look for airport shopping discounts. Many airports have stores and restaurants that offer discounts for travelers. Check out the airport's website or app for any special promotions or coupons available. Some airports also have duty-free shops, where you can purchase items at reduced prices if you're traveling internationally. 11. Know how to handle delays and cancellations. In the event of a flight delay or cancellation, it's crucial to stay calm and act quickly. Approach the airline's customer service desk immediately for assistance. Having a backup plan, such as knowing nearby hotels or alternative flights, can also help. Many airlines offer compensation or vouchers for meals and accommodations if your delay is significant, so don't hesitate to ask. 12. Leverage airport sleep pods or nap areas. If you have a long layover or an unexpected delay, finding a comfortable place to rest can make a big difference. Some airports have sleep pods or nap areas, where you can rent a private space to catch some rest. If your airport doesn't have these facilities, look for quiet corners or lounges where you can relax. 13. Use airport transfer services for ease of travel to and from the airport. Consider using airport transfer services. Many airports offer shuttle buses, rideshare options, or private car services that can be pre-booked. These services often provide a fixed rate and can save you from the hassle of finding parking or dealing with public transportation. 14. Keep your essentials accessible. When you're navigating through the airport, keep your essentials easily accessible. Use a travel wallet or a small pouch for your boarding pass, and other important documents. This will make going through security and boarding more efficient and reduce the chance of losing important items. 15. Stay informed about airport security policies. Airport security policies can vary widely depending on the country and airport. Familiarize yourself with the specific security requirements for your departure and arrival airports. This can include restrictions on electronics, food items, and personal items. Being prepared can help you avoid delays and ensure a smoother security screening process. There you have it, your top airport hacks and secrets to make your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. Implement these tips on your next trip and see how much easier and more pleasant your airport experience can be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and tricks. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.